learn in BC, I will go to college.
Oh, what will you learn? Teacher, you will?
I will college.
Oh, you will college to study. Continue study or what?
Teach.
Oh, teach.
I will study first.
Study first.
I will be a teacher maybe.
Lecture. What?
And you?
Me? Okay. Especially. Okay. So I will be in my future. Of course, after I graduate from MS, I will be a tutor or teacher in my hometown, Cirebon, or in Pare. I don't know. I hope I can.
Have you been college?
Yeah, I have graduated.
Oh, where?
Graduated from my college. In Cirebon. The name is University of Islami Bunga Bangsa Cirebon.
Oh, okay. And after you finish MS, you will be teacher.
Yeah, teacher or continue study master of degree. I don't know. Just the plan in my future.
Do you have country, right?
No, Indonesia.
Just Indonesia.
Yeah, just Indonesia. Because my parents give me to stay in Indonesia. How about you?
My dream country is Swiss. You know?
Switzerland.
Because the view is very good and make me happy and enjoy. If I get chance to go.
Do you want study abroad?
Yes.
What is the major abroad?
If I got a chance to Arab or
Arabic.
Arab,
And then
what
just Arabic or
and maybe IT.
oh IT. You like IT?
Yes.
Coding or
No, I will
technology just. So after you graduate, you continue until PC student, right?
until MS.
Until I hope you get your MS, and after that you continue study.
And you give me what motivation to MS.
Yeah, we must study together with your friend to improve your knowledge, and you can study alone in your rooming house to what remember the lesson or material in your class when you don't go with your friends. You always study and study and study every time.
You must study hard, right?
Study hard because MS so full, the schedule so full, and you must manage time well to get your MS grade.